got a call for this one, make a noise. Sounds like there's paper in the fan. All right, it's the Friday night special. So the solenoid's calling for cooling right now. I just went in there and checked and it's not feeding. So I probably got either moisture in the TXV or a bad expansion valve. So I got to recover the gas and start from there. I got the nerd going. Got the hammer to the nerd. Let's get all this gas out of here and then I'll blow some nitrogen. We'll take the where the screen for the TXV inlet is. Take a look at that. I can blow some nitrogen, confirm my solenoid's feeding, take it from there. Screen is clean, like brand new. I just blew a bunch of nitrogen through this way, and it's feeding, so the solenoid's good. We'll get this back together. So my customer told me they paid a shit ton of money while I was out of town. Another company came in and changed the expansion valve on this unit, charged them a lot of money. Look what they didn't do. They didn't change the dryer. That is the OEM dryer that came with this condensing unit, because I sold this condensing unit and installed it. So what's going on now is the expansion valve's icing up and not feeding. So I got a new dryer here. We're gonna try our damnedest to clean this system up and get this thing working. I don't have a valve on my truck right now. Let's see how we make out. Look at the oil immediately. That system's filthy. Oh man. There's the second batch of oil. It's already crusty. I'm going to change that one right now too and go for number 3. See how we get going here. Alright, there's my third oil change. It's still cloudy. It's getting better. Still got a little cloud tinge to it. It's getting better. So I might break the vacuum with some more nitrogen and then keep going on this one. All right, now it's been a while. Let's take a look at the oil now. Oh, much better. See that? A lot nicer. All right, just put a little bit of gas in. See what happens here. Let's see, head pressure's coming. It's pretty chilly out right now. Evening time, probably in the low 60s, high 50s. And I know the box is warm. Looking promising. If our TXV would froze up again, we'd we'd be pumping down, our head pressure would stay, and it would pump into like I found it. Let's let it run for a bit and see if it'll charge up here. Alright, we know the box is warm, so our suction pressure's up a little bit. Head pressure's hanging pretty darn good because it's not hot outside. And we just cleared the sight glass.